In this video, I want to show you how you can raise a merge request and potentially contribute to the development of the Nautobot plugin. So in the previous video, we saw how you could change the code and have that replicated instantly, and you could just see the changes inside the web application. Now, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can raise a merge request after changing the code and let us know about the change so we can potentially push your change into initially dev, and it's possible to also push that into production. So this is the Nautobot plugin repository. From here, I have to create a copy of this repo for myself. This is under the Slurp'it.io namespace or workspace. I will create a fork, and this is going to make a copy for me. Choose my namespace, make it public or private. I'm going to fork it. So once the project is forked, it is going to be under my own name or account. And from here, I can do any changes to the projects. But make sure that first I'm going to go to project settings, go to CI/CD here, and I have to create a runner here. I will expand new project runner and run on tag jobs, create runner. And it's going to create the runner for me, and I can actually run the jobs and run the tests. Otherwise, it won't work. So I will go back to the project, and I will change this to dev. So the local branch does not really matter, but the target branch has to be dev. So the branch that belongs to Slurp'it.io that is receiving the merge request has to be dev. Otherwise, we can't really accept it because main is protected, and it is for production. Now, from here, I can change something very subtle. So if I go to source, Slurp'it Nautobot, templates, and I will open up this HTML doc, onboard devices. So if I go to Nautobot, to the plugin and onboard devices, we have an HTML header here. I will change that to onboarding devices, something very simple. I will edit this single file, and this is going to be onboarding devices. And I will commit the changes. So once that's committed, there is going to be a button here, create merge request. I can do it from here or from the main page of the project. I can create the merge request right from here, give it a title, description is optional. Make sure to change that to dev, so target branch has to be dev. And also I'm going to delete the source branch after merging is accepted. That means if the merging is accepted, I'm not going to have the dev branch attached to this project anymore. So I can go ahead and click on this button. I'm not going to do that because it's just going to send unnecessary emails to contributors. But once I do that, it's just waiting for the approval from the other side, from the contributors.